Welcome back to Built for Operators. This week is CPQ and how AI can automatically generate quotes from your opportunity data. Aurasell listens to every customer conversation and enriches your opportunities with real buying signals. Now with built-in CPQ, we can use those signals to automatically generate quotes in seconds. For example, here's an opportunity inside Aurasell with an AI-generated quote. Let's open it up. On the right, you can see the AI reasoning behind the quote. Aurasell explains exactly why it generated this configuration, citing signals directly from customer conversation. In this case, it's quoting 5 seats of the CRM SMB product because the head of sales mentioned replacing HubSpot and hiring 4 additional reps. From here, the quote can be previewed and shared directly with your account contacts. Everything is configurable inside Aurasell CPQ. In the settings screen, you can manage your product catalog. Let's create a new product with a name, a SKU, description, and category. Aurasell also supports all the pricing models you'll need, including flat fee, per unit, tiered, and volume pricing. You can also create product bundles. For example, let's bundle 2 products together with a bundle name, SKU, and description. Then we'll add both products and apply a 20% discount, bringing the price down to $240 from $300 list price. Finally, in quote configuration, you can customize details like the quote number prefixes, company addresses, and terms and conditions using a rich text editor. And that's CPQ and AI generated quotes built for operators.